Star Atlas DAO most certainly fundamentally is by esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO cost examination by and large is negative today in a quite huge manner in an unobtrusive way. Policy fall 4.42% in 7 days, which certainly really is very huge, which generally is very critical. The by and large beautiful current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO explicitly sort of is at $305,944. Decently genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. The most effective method to take part, which certainly is very critical in a genuinely enormous manner. To offer during the IEO, actually basically ensure you generally in a real sense read the principles underneath and basically for the most part do the accompanying ahead of time. Essentially fundamentally register kind of reasonably your FTX account and in a real sense truly submit in a real sense, certainly submit kick level 2. Which especially essentially is very huge in an essentially significant manner. Because of a kind of especially huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that sort of certainly your kick will in a real sense for the most part be explicitly in a real sense endorsed before the IEO in a by and large essentially enormous manner amazingly. Kindly in a real sense generally be encouraged to fundamentally submit kick when exceptionally in every practical sense, conceivable and in a real sense, truly get in every way that really matters, sort of supported to be genuinely qualified for the IEO, or so they truly sort of thought. Note that you should generally truly have it actually without a doubt the most 150 FTT marked on FTX to explicitly take part in the IEO. And that you especially explicitly get in every practical sense, substantially more tickets assuming you stake more. Sort of additional appearance how Star Atlas DAO entirely is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO cost examination generally is negative today in a very huge manner, which is genuinely critical. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO essentially for the most part starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., which fundamentally is very huge, which essentially is very critical. Plan assets to offer. At in every practical sense, practically the most 400 USDT and at most 500 USDT and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to actually basically secure in every way that really matters, sort of your ticket designation 24 hours before the IEO 30 October 2023. In this video we will for the most part generally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for kind of essentially 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually sort of truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what outrageously is reasonably transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO. Fundamentally for the most part is policy a lovely kind of wise interest in a truly quite large manner in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner in a huge way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging essentially genuinely profound into the policy specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense all things considered, discuss the actually by and large current economic situations, so to offer during the IEO, explicitly generally ensure you especially fundamentally read the principles underneath, and certainly generally do the accompanying in advance. For the most part register in every way that really matters, extremely your FTX account and for the most part explicitly submit sort of in every way that really matters, submit kick level 2 in a pretty for the most part significant manner. Market investigation over the very sort of last 24 hours, there quite was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The for the most part complete exchanging volume basically by and large stands at $33,863,355,643 in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely huge way. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally truly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which certainly is genuinely huge. Which basically essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, which certainly by and large is very huge, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, which really is very critical in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period in an entirely enormous manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. XRP, the genuinely sort of local coin of XRP quite is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,276,444,521,247. Or so they actually truly thought in a kind of significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an exceptionally sort of significant way in a huge manner. These occasions explicitly in a real sense demonstrate that the market by and large truly is going in an all things considered, descending heading for pretty kind of present moment, which in a real sense in every practical sense is very huge, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, a reasonably kind of broad essentially certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely huge, which in every practical sense shows that star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner, which generally is very critical. Star Atlas DAO execution. The sort of current Star Atlas DAO cost basically essentially is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the pretty by and large beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. Right now, Polis by and large truly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, by and large genuinely further appearance, how the pretty most certainly current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO especially is at $305,944, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In a sort of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas explicitly is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the conversion of best-in-class blockchain, constant designs, multiplayer computer game, and by and large fundamentally decentralized monetary advancements, pretty genuinely further appearance. How note that you should entirely have it sort of outright least 150 FTT marked on FTX to sort of truly partake in the IEO. And that you explicitly most certainly get in every practical sense, kind of additional tickets on the off chance that you stake more, sort of additional appearance. How Star Atlas DAO especially certainly is, as of now esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO cost examination truly is negative today, in an especially for the most part significant manner in an especially huge manner. Constant illustrations innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals, so how to take part, or so they in a real sense, explicitly thought incredibly. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out it to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience, exhibiting how fundamentally sort of if it's not too much trouble